and welcome back. So there's a group of us that are posting a video today all about making our favorite Disney drinks.
Yes.
And if you know anything about us, you know we love drinking and we love Trader Sam's.
Yes, we're so excited to make some drinks that are similar to the hippopotomai ties at Trader Sam's.
But we have a problem.
What?
We're on lockdown.
Yeah.
It's hard to go out, it's hard to find supplies, so we're going to make a different version of them. We're gonna make a few different versions of them.
Ooh.
And see which one tastes best based on the ingredients that we already had.
So what are we gonna call these?
We're gonna call these my quarantine ties.
I love it. Quarantine ties. I like it. So what do we got here?
We've got orange. We've got maraschino cherries. I've got Bacardi rum and darker rum. We've got lemon and lime.
Yep.
We've got fun little umbrellas.
Nice.
I made my own simple syrup, as you may have seen from the B-roll.
What did you use in that?
I made simple syrup with just sugar, and then I made a cinnamon simple syrup, hoping that this might be a little tastier as we progressively get a little drunker.
I bet they will.
I've got a bowl of ice.
We got our fun Tiki coasters.
Tiki coasters.
And of course, our Tiki glasses.
And Tiki glasses.
Yes.
We were gonna use the glasses we got from Trader Sam's, but we don't have matching glasses.
Yeah, we only have
so
one.
we use the cool Tiki glasses that we have, and we're gonna make some Mai Tais.
Yes, so come along with us. Let's have fun.
All right, so I think the coolest way to do this is gonna be for me to make a drink and you to make a drink. And we'll try each other's drinks.
Okay.
And then we'll make more drinks and try those and
Okay.
keep working on it until we find the right recipe. How are we gonna prevent each other from trying the drinks and not getting the coronavirus?
Maybe we can use straws and then throw them out after.
Whoa. All right, anyway. I'm gonna make the first drink, is that okay?
That's fine.
All right, ice. I'm gonna use light rum, and I'm gonna say the word rum and just pour while I say the word rum. So that's like 3 ounces. I'm gonna use some lemon. I'm gonna use some lime. Bloop, 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 bloop. I think I'm gonna use some simple syrup.
Okay.
I'm gonna use some regular simple syrup.
That's what makes it sweet, right?
Yes. We have grapefruit juice too. I'm gonna take the purple glass. No, you take the purple glass. I'm gonna take the brown glass. I'm gonna give it a mix.
I like your wine shirt.
Thanks, Amanda. I'm going to... Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, wait. It is
Perfect.
perfect. I'm gonna do a fun little umbrella. Oh. I'm gonna garnish with a Marciano cherry
Ooh. Oh. An orange?
and an orange.
Nice. How fun.
And there's my
Do
drink.
you need a straw?
We also have these fantastic bamboo straws.
That looks beautiful.
Okay, ready? You're up.
All right. Start with some ice. I'm gonna get some rum.
I like where you're going.
Pour for like 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. Gold rum. Some lime. Some lemon. Some grapefruit juice. I'm gonna try the cinnamon syrup. Keep the cap off first. I'm gonna pour a little cherry juice in mine. And mix it around. Pour this in. Oh! Spilled a little bit. Got my umbrella. See if I can make it work like Chris. Oh, look at that. A perfect umbrella. Cherry and an orange. And voila. I better drink it because I overflowed a little. Oh yeah, that's good.
All right.
Yes, let's
How
try
does
it.
it taste? Mine is really good.
Mine is really strong. Like, it's mostly rum.
It's mostly rum?
Mm-hmm.
That is the best kind of drink.
It's really good. So did you put your gold rum on top?
I didn't put any gold rum yet.
Oh, this one's good.
Whoa, yours is, wow.
Yeah.
Yours is pure rum.
Yeah. Just the way to make a quarantine.
Ooh.
A
quarantini. Quarantine tie.
Mai Tai.
Man, I wish these were martinis because a quarantini would be so good.
That'll have to be our next video.
Yep.
Babe, I have a question for you.
Yes.
How many lays is too many lays?
That many lays.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lays! Not even cold anymore.
I know. I'm like warm. Because your drink is nothing but rum. In the tiki 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 room. In the tiki 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 room. What you doing with your umbrella there, Amanda?
Oh, I heard it might rain. Hey, Tiki Drink.
Hey man.
What's going on?
Not a lot.
See, there's a virus going around?
Oh no, 6 feet.
Ah!
That was a really fun Disney not drink making thing that we did.
That was so fun.
Okay, so it wasn't Disney drinks, but we're in weird times and we didn't have the ability to get all of the necessities.
And I'm wearing ears, so it counts.
But it's kind of the same thing. So this was part of a group, as I mentioned, part of a group thing that we're doing with a bunch of YouTube channels. We're gonna link all their channels below so that you can go see their Disney drink videos, which they probably did a little better than us.
Check them out because they're really fun Disney channels and you need to subscribe to them because they're awesome.
Mm-hmm.
And we wish we're at Trader Sam's right now, but we did the best we could with what we had.
Mm-hmm.
And pretend we're at Trader Sam's.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna keep trying different recipes. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye, don't forget to bring home the milk.